All right, camping is over. We are at the dump station getting ready to dump. Martina and Adam are hanging out in the car waiting until our turn. I went to go do trash, and then I went to go follow up on a Chihuahua dog that we found here on like our second day. And I wanted to see if there was a status update on it, which there wasn't, but I left my telephone number and she's gonna give me a call. So anyways, we're headed home, and I am just really excited to actually be home with Martina. I feel like really bad because this is probably like a whirlwind of like craziness for her to experience camping right away and not our actual home. So it'll be exciting for her to like unpack and like just get comfortable and be at home for the next 10 months. So it'll be very exciting, but I feel like this gives her a peek into our adventures that we might take, because they're all chaotic, but they're fun, so it's good. All right, we're gonna go home now, 2-ish hour drive home. I'm gonna try and clean up all the things and take care of, oh my gosh, that's a nest with a robin's egg. Anyways, I'm gonna take care of all of the stuff probably tomorrow because I'm gonna have time and I don't wanna rush to do it. I wanna relax and be at home and take a shower and be in the AC, you know, fun things like that.